Hi, Zach Yanska, fitness specialist here at Mercy Fitness Center. Strong First Level 2 kettlebell instructor and CTFMS movement specialist. And to demonstrate our first in a series of Technique Tuesdays is Jen Caduti, athletic trainer and program coordinator of the Medical Fitness Bridge here, and also, more impressively, newly minted Strong First kettlebell instructor. So, you've probably seen people moving and training a little bit differently here, especially working with Jen and I and the other instructors. And we're going to explain the sequence that we use to make a healthy movement pattern. Today we're going to start with mobility. So before we can layer strength and get stronger, we have to be mobile enough to be in the positions that we're going to use. And Jen's going to demonstrate a toe touch for us right now. So Jen, can you first show me your toe touch. Your toe touch is awesome. We're going to show. So obviously no problems there. Awesome mobility. Jen, show us a bad toe touch so maybe you can see people. So maybe they're unrestricted. Maybe she starts to bend her knees once she gets to her edge restrictions, trying to get lower and lower. So some sort of a compensation. So our first strategy is we're going to give her some extra stability, assuming that she did have a bad toe touch. And you've probably seen people do this. We put somebody against the wall. Now we're giving them stability from the ground and from the wall, and it's going to immediately improve their mobility. So what we're looking for, keeping the legs straight, it's going to create a nice stretch throughout the calf, even the bottom of the foot, hamstring, back. So we're just mobilizing this whole line of muscles along the back side of the body. And this is just to check to make sure feet are neutral. So if I were to have her hang out there for a few minutes, 3, maybe up to 5 minutes, everything's going to start to loosen up. But then when she goes back to do her training, whether it's strength or movement type work, she's going to find a lot more mobility. So if you see people hanging out in this position, that's what they're doing. And next week, we're going to explain kind of the sequence that we can follow up with to start developing some stability in her new range of mobility here.